C, cat. E, egg, e. N, nut, n. U, up, D, dog, d. R, rat, B, bat, b. V, van, v. O, octopus, a. W, wind, w. Q, queen, qu. S, snake, s. Y, yellow, y. A, apple, a. T, top, t. J, jug, j. H, hat, h. P, pan, p. X, fox, x. L, lamp, l. M, man, m. Z, zebra, z. F, fun, f. I, itch, I. K, kite, k. G, game, g. Okay, now we're going to practice the vowels and the sight words. E, egg, e. Egg. U, up, up. O, octopus, a. Abre la boca. A, apple, a. Apple. I, itch, it. Itch. And. What is this word? Say it 5 times. Can. What is this word? Say it 5 times. At. What is this word? Say it 5 times. A. This word is too easy for you. Good job. An. What is this word? Say it 5 times. Good job. Keep practicing. I'll see you tomorrow.